my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be talking all about Olaplex. You guys have been asking me so much about the products and if they work and if they don't work and are they worth it, and I'm here to give you the tea on all of them. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. I was sent a few of these items, but that does not change the fact that I absolutely live for Olaplex. If you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts on Olaplex, please do continue watching. So a lot of you guys have been asking me what my hair color is and just everything about my hair, and I didn't really have an answer for you guys because honestly, I dyed my hair so much during quarantine. This is literally the result of all of the dye just kind of washing out and just being on my head, honestly. So I actually told this story on my live earlier. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is at Reesiibabe. I often go live, I do my makeup, I do get ready with me. It's a party over there, so definitely check me out and check out my stories. I mentioned that my hair was balayaged before, and then I dyed it blue-black, and then my hair turned green. So your girl bleached it twice. I had to bleach it the first time. It didn't take because I did kind of like a bleach rinse, and then it needed a lot more power because my hair was legitimately green. So I ended up just doing straight up bleach and took all the color out of my hair. I kind of tried to make it work. I just did it on the green parts, but it ended up working really well. So then I used a couple of hair color depositing masks. I did this one in cocoa, and then it was a nice brown for a little while, and then I decided to dye it pink. After my hair started washing out, I was like, I want to do something different, something that I've done before that I know will look good, and I did pink, and it did indeed look good. However, my hair throughout this entire time was just getting so many split ends, and it was just looking real janky. So I needed to use something. And back before the whole quarantine thing happened, I worked at Nordstrom, and my hair was going through all the different colors at that time as well, back in March. So I actually purchased the entire line from them, and I started using it then, and I really enjoyed it. So after finishing up the shampoo and conditioner and the number 3 recently, I was super excited when Lookfantastic reached out to me and wanted to send me some more of the Olaplex products because, girl, my hair needed it. So I was super excited to do this collaboration with them. So shout out to you guys at lookfantastic.com. I do have a coupon code for you guys as well. Let me go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more about the product, and then we'll get into all of that stuff. The shampoo and the conditioner, the number 4 and the number 5, are so good. These guys smell so good. I literally I enjoy showering and washing my hair so much more just with the smell of this and how my entire shower smells. It is so good. And I go on the website and get all of the information so I don't mess anything up for you guys. I want to give you guys all of the accurate information. They just redid their entire website, so everything and all the information is so like easy to find, which is super good. This shampoo repairs and protects hair from everyday stresses, including damaged hair, split ends, and frizz, by relinking broken bonds. The number 4 is color safe and proven to reduce breakage and strengthen all types of hair, which I 1000% agree with. A lot of hairdressers and just people in general that have highlighted hair or color treated hair will go in with the Olaplex because what it does is it rebuilds the bond structure inside your actual hair shaft. It helps to add hydration, it helps to make it a little bit more manageable, and it has bond building chemistry which restores, repairs, and hydrates to add incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo. And your hair at the end ends up being super shiny, super soft, and it just feels so much better, and you will absolutely notice a difference from your very dry, damaged hair to after like the first use of using the shampoo and conditioner. I 1000% recommend these. They are a little bit pricey, so what I like to do is, well, in general, I wash my hair maybe once a week, once every week and a half. If I do end up washing my hair a little bit more throughout the week, I'll use like a normal shampoo and conditioner and just keep this as like my treatment shampoo and conditioner, but of course you can definitely use it for daily use. Next thing that I have is the number 6 Bond Smoother. I live for this one, and also the smell of it. It smells so good. It smells so sweet, and like I feel like when you like walk past someone and they smell your hair and it smells like this, it's just like, ugh, I want to marry her. Your girl's trying to get married. But I love it. It's a leave-in conditioner basically, and it just helps to speed up your blow dry time. It helps to get rid of frizz. It helps also to help rebuild the bond inside your hair. You need a very, very small amount of this, so it looks really tiny, but you need the smallest amount because too much of this will absolutely weigh your hair down, and you don't want that. So small amounts. Next thing that I have is this guy right here, which is the number 3. This is the most popular. This is usually what people start out using. This is the treatment. Basically what you do is you use this once a week. It is not a shampoo. It is not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. So this is like an actual treatment. You can use it 1 time a week, or if you have very damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. But you apply this on damp towel dried hair. You leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Usually what I'll do is I'll leave this on overnight, and I'll just wrap it and then wash it out in the morning. The longer you leave it, the better. You don't have to leave it overnight. You can literally leave it for like an hour, 2 hours, whatever the case is, but you want to rinse it out afterwards, and then you can go in with your shampoo and conditioner. But this stuff is really good. You do definitely notice a difference with this. I think that's really the point that we all just want to know, like, does it work? Do you see a difference? Is it going to be worth the money that I'm spending on it? And I 1000% say yes, it absolutely is. You will not, I swear, you won't go back to using regular conditioner. Or I mean, even if you do go back to using regular conditioner, you'll always have these guys in your heart, because I sure as hell know that I do. The very last thing that I have that I'm gonna actually show you right now is the Olaplex bonding oil. This is the number 7. It's really easy to come out, and then when you get it out, not like a ton of product that just squirts out. It's actually pretty controlled. So I use about that much, if you guys can see. I'll rub it up in my hand, and I'll just lightly apply it to my ends. I do this randomly throughout the day. You can definitely do it after you style your hair, obviously, of course, but it just adds like a really beautiful shine to the hair. And this will definitely help with split ends, helps to maintain flyaways. You can also use this if you are heat styling your hair, like after you've blow dried and then you're gonna go ahead and curl your hair. It adds shine, it adds moisture. It's just like your all-in-one. I really like it, and again, you need an extremely small amount. I just kind of like tapped it on my hand maybe 4 times and rubbed that up and then put it on. You do not need a lot of this product, because look at that. Look at how much different and more vibrant my actual hair color looks like after using that compared to before. So I really love that. I was actually sent the shampoo, conditioner, and the bonding oil. I actually had the rest that I purchased with my own money. So shout out to Lookfantastic for sending these over. If you guys are interested, go ahead and use my coupon code. You get 20% off the Lookfantastic website on these items if you just type in at the checkout RHEESA. Make sure you guys are spelling it right. I'll put it right here so you guys can see. And yeah, so I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions, please go ahead and leave it down below. These are the products to use if you have very dry hair, very damaged hair, color treated hair, and even if your hair is not dry, it's not color treated, it's not too damaged, but you do want a little pick me up, I would absolutely recommend using the bond smoother and then occasionally doing the treatment. I think these two are a great start, especially the treatment. If you guys are looking to get just one item from everything, do the treatment and then do the bond smoother, which is gonna help you with all of your blowouts and curling and heat styling on your hair. So those two are definitely my go-tos. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will chat with you all in another video. If you guys are not following me, please go ahead and follow me right now at Reesiibabe, and I'll chat with you all in another video. See ya.